Alright, so I'm gonna be playing Girl with a Shotgun by Pixel Fish Games. I'm not very good at sound mixing, so I feel like this is kind of a loud menu. Oh, but I can't see it when I'm tabbed over. Okay, I don't think. Okay, I'm gonna err on the side of caution and keep that a little low. Alright, we are playing Girl with a Shotgun by Pixel Fish Games. I can't sleep. Oh. What am I doing wrong? Oh. Oh, E. Okay. The lightning is too scary. That's probably in the instructions somewhere. Ooh. And why is the phone still ringing? It's my diary. I should write something. Dear diary, I just woke up to some scary lightning and the phone ringing. Why hasn't mommy answered it yet? I don't know how I'm going to edit the beginning. I played like just a few seconds of this. Just enough to be like, oh, I like this style. And then I decided on a whim to record it. So I had to, I guess, delete the saves to... I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to edit that part out. I feel like that makes it look like I played this before, and I really haven't. I've seen about this, but I mean, I couldn't even remember to hit E, so, whoa. Just to be clear, if it looks like, I don't think I'm going to edit it out. I feel like that's sillier. Oh, I wasn't expecting that to work. With this flashlight, I feel a little more brave. Now to go see why the phone's still ringing. It's the dollhouse my big brother got me before he left. The inside looks like our house. Sometimes I wish I could hide in there. Feels like I could. Oh, that's cute. A little creepy, but cute. Ooh. Hello, Sir Tedward. Oh, that's cute. One of my other indie dev friends, Abra Gironi, had a teddy bear named Tedward in their game. I'm pretty sure. Called, I think it's in this game jam actually, called Fragile Sun. It must be nice, not a care in the world. It's my new lava lamp. It's my lava lamp, not new. At least it's giving off a little light. Oh, I love the art. This is so cute. Larry Potter, Timmy the Tank Engine, Dr. Goose. I don't feel like reading right now. A plus. Avoiding copyright. Okay, I'm coming. Now it's not the time for reading. Okay. I mean, who has house phones anymore? Daddy gets a lot of these letters in the mail. I like getting letters, but these always make him mad. Yeah, it's a mood. Is that incense or a pencil? I think that's incense. I don't know why it would be a pencil. Daddy always keeps the office door locked. I'll have to find the key first. I think he keeps it in his room. Ooh. I should answer the phone first. Ooh, I like that the E is floating. Like, it's really drawing attention to it, even in the dark room. It's good detail. I'm not supposed to answer the phone, but I don't know where mommy is. Click. Hello, this is Alice. Alice, I finally got through to you. Who is this? Jason. It's your brother, Jason. Now, I need you to listen to me. I have something very important to tell you. Something has happened to Mom and Dad. What? Listen, you need to get out of the house. It isn't safe there for you anymore. You need to come find me. I sent a package to the house containing a phone so that we can talk. I have no doubt Mom and Dad found it and hid it, so I need you to go find it. As you look around, be very careful. Do not try to interact with anyone. They are not your friends. Even if they look like Mom and Dad, they are not. Do you understand? I think so. Good, now you're gonna need protection. There should be a key in here to the office. Dad's old gun is in the office. Use that. Oh my gosh. It is called Girl with the Gun, isn't it? Or Girl with the Shotgun. I don't know why I'm surprised. A gun? You'll be fine. It's only for emergencies, which it says. Don't be afraid to use it, even to shoot a lock or shatter some glass. Now, can you repeat the plan back to me? Find the key, get the gun, find the phone, leave the house. Right? And avoid anyone and everyone. Alright, I'm gonna hang up now. Please don't get hurt. You're my only family left. I don't think I would believe him as a child. I'd be like, you're messing with me. Okay, bye. Love you. Click. Gotta grab the office key. Ooh, little hand. It's a mirror. It has a handprint on it. Was it a ghost? I bet my big brother would like this towel. What? He loves the color blue. Oh, okay. Oh, that's sweet. I don't gotta go. This looks like the key to the office. Daddy said I should never go in there. We gotta go get a gun. Mommy and Daddy have weird taste in art. Sir Tedward would not be impressed. It's just like brown mats. Gosh. Oh, I like the globe. All of Mommy's dresses are safely stored in here. It's cute. I like the rug. Look at the detail on the pattern on the corner of the rug or the edges. See how it's like diagonal? That's cool. Okay, that was over here. Huh. Nice, what, Monstera plant? Oop. We're in the office. Got the gun. It's really heavy. Click. There's no bullets. I think I saw Dad hide some outside. Excuse me. Sorry, it's late here. Daddy's work papers. Mommy and Daddy yell a lot over these. Oof. Relatable. Okay. Let's go find some bullets. Outside, she says. Oh, is this your brother's room? Is this your older brother's room? He always leaves his clothes on the floor. Is your brother 5? If Sir Tedward saw this, he'd be disappointed. That's unkind of me. My room's a mess too. It's mostly the, this is a very specific carpet, you know? It's my younger brother's diary. I probably shouldn't read it. Day 6. Today we went to the park. It was so fun. Daddy told me to get something from the garage, frowny face. It's dark and scary in there, but when I turn on the lights, I feel weird, frowny face. I had the impression our brother was significantly older, but maybe I was wrong. Got a bathroom. Wish I didn't have to brush my teeth all the time. Sir Tedward doesn't have to. Well, you know. He doesn't have tooth enamel. Nope, don't gotta go. I don't like to close my eyes in the shower. Okay? Feels like there's something in the darkness. I always feel like I lose my balance if I close my eyes in the shower. Like I'll just fall over. It's a present. Mommy's birthday is soon. Ooh, I like the welcome mat. That's a cool detail. Wait, why can't I go outside? Daddy started drinking these a lot when the car was taken. Uh-oh. I wonder if they taste good. No. Bleh. Girl, you do not need to be a drunk child with a gun. Daddy got these papers when some people came over and took the car. I wonder when they'll give it back. There are sticky notes on here. 1. Clean the floors. Clean the walls. Fix the light switch. Organize the shelves. Ugh, that's what my garage to-do list looks like. It's a toolbox. I don't need any of these. Lots of different tools. Daddy doesn't let me play with them. But no... Excuse me? just gonna. It's one of the first light switches. This is the first light switch I've clicked on. I don't know if it's the first one I've seen. Mommy and Daddy say I shouldn't watch too much TV. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Trying to see if there's a light switch somewhere. Ooh, I love the details on these. Like all the different, like, condiments or spices or whatever. All the mugs. I have a knife rack like that with a magnet. Or at least mine has a magnet. I guess this one wouldn't be magnets because they're hanging by the handles, but this looks really nice. I'm looking at the nice kitchen because I don't want to follow the weird mold. It's probably not mold. Oh god. Mm-mm. 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 Oh god, oh god. I'm so bad at games. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, no one's surprised. Okay, let's try it again. Can I run if I hold shift? Should I have bullets by now? So many questions. I like that we've changed maps and it was very subtly done. Like that things look different running back. I always get quiet when I really concentrate. Oh no, where do I go now? Wait, where do I go? Oh. Oh, probably to the door, you dingus. Okay, okay, okay. I did better that time though. Gotta go up first. I always get stuck there. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Catch back up, catch back up. Nothing falls. I'm saying all this because I know I'll probably have to do it again. And then there's something that whoa, pops up in front of me, I think over here. Ah! Did it. I did it. That was hard. It's locked. I think Mommy left the key on the kitchen counter. I was just in there. Girl. backyard key. Girl, I say, as if I am not in full possession of her actions. Ooh, this is cute. Nice grill. I like this is a stupid detail, but I like the realism of the outdoor furniture. I live in a rainy area, and it's almost impossible having outdoor furniture. Like even this stuff, like it doesn't last for very long because it just rains a lot. Like shit just gets moldy. We used to play this a lot when Jason was still here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I saw that. Okay, I'm not a huge gun person, but like I would like some bullets. Oh no. Can I walk up here? Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's really cool. It's very scary though. Okay, I can, but don't ever do it again because I'll just get stuck. Talking about fucking furniture, and there's some big creepy thing 2 steps to my left. Okay, okay, I see the light, right? I'm guessing this is some kind of thing where I have to sneak past him. So, hopefully I did that correctly. Okay, oh, don't blow the mic. Okay. Got some, what is this, corn? Beans? I don't know. Oh, that was stupid. That was so close. Oh no. I wonder if it's just in the light. Like, I wonder how exact it is, you know? Oh, shoot. Oh, gosh. I guess that answers my question. I have to go past the first one, too. Okay, okay, okay. Patience is the game. I'm good at patience, so. I think I was okay here last time. Because I had to go pretty closely right behind him. This reminds me of the, I think it's the final chapter of Life is Strange. There's this part at the end where you have to creep through the hallways of like Max's memory, and like all of the people that she's known are like walking around carrying flashlights. You have to not be seen by them. Okay, where do you go though? Nope, nope, nope. Whoa, what caught me? Did I step on something? Oh, that seems a little mean. I was really looking at that person. So, fair play, I guess. Did I step on something? Am I just crazy? I feel like it stops coming towards me if I walk away too quickly. Oh, or is it just if I walk through that door? That makes more sense, I guess. Oh, I wonder if it is. Because otherwise he walks all the way up to the edge of the fence, right? But if I do that, oh, he disappears. Interesting. So I wonder if I can just cut in front. But then I have to watch out for a trap? Was it that thing? It is a little bear trap. Ooh. That's tricky. I'm not sure where he's going to turn. Oof. Tricky, tricky. The stakes are high. Ooh, puppy. This is where Max lives. I wonder where he is. It's your dog, right? Not your brother? Anyway, I see some bullets in there. Uh-oh. Now I just have to shoot the basement's lock. Why? Maybe I should test the gun on boards covering that hole in the wall. Did your brother tell you that the phone was in the basement and I'm just forgetting that? What hole? Just gotta break them to get by. Oh, like that she falls on her butt. That's cute. You're a little kid. Aw. Poor little kid. That's so sad. I like these flowers. They all look different. That's nice detail. Gonna play some beanie bags. So Jason. Max is the dog. Jason is the brother. I'm gonna forget that in 30 seconds. Okay, let's go. And this time I can defend myself. So I'm looking for keys to the basement. This music is sounding very... First thing that popped in my head was Halo for some reason. Daddy lost the basement keys a while ago. I might need to shoot the lock. That's so sweet. Aww. It's a family portrait we got taken recently. Too bad Jason wasn't here for it. What, did we edit him in? Isn't that him? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. There's probably an older brother and a younger brother. So that's what the train was, and then that's whoever was outside. So then how come Jason wasn't worried about this other kid? And why are they clearly showing favoritism to him? Guessing these are bullets, and I'm guessing I'm full. Lots of different books. They're all old people books. Yeah, that's real. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm curious, right? Can I not shoot you? Yeah, I can. Interesting. I just have to be a lot closer. Is there a visual indicator of my ammo? Or is it limitless? Let me go back and load up just in case. I mean, I'm here. Might as well. I feel kind of bad for shooting that person when I could just sneak by them. Mommy and Daddy like weird art. I don't get it. Just a bunch of boxes. Nothing good in them. They'd make it hiding spots for hide and seek. Sir Tedward would never find me. There's a lot of moving boxes everywhere, honey. Lots of different books. They're all old people books. Are we looping the hallway? Is it because I need to kill this person? Okay. I thought I did already, though. At least once. Maybe it's like while they're deceased, then I can see the end of the hallway. Maybe I have to kill them a certain amount of times. It's very satisfying. So I looped when I hadn't killed them yet. So it's not like a pacifist thing. I wonder what would happen if I go right. I wonder if this is just the wrong hallway. I haven't been caught by them yet. No, they just shoot me. Okay. So here's the beginning. Endless hallway. I didn't read what that text said. Wait. This didn't look like this before, right? Oh my god. What is that? uh. That's not the mom, is it? Or the apparition of the mom, anyway? I'm trying to remember what the mom looked like in the photo. I think she had blonde hair, like we do. I wonder if I should shoot one of these boxes. Ooh, I wonder if that's it. I think I was supposed to shoot the box. Nope. Nope. I'm looking for... the box. I'm looking for... It said Daddy had lost the key to the basement a long time ago. I'm looking for the key to find the box to get the phone. I don't feel like I know if I'm doing the right thing or not. I could just be doing the wrong thing. And I should take a hint. But either way, hopefully this is good feedback for the dev. Whatever we're supposed to be doing here is not super clear. Unless I just missed something. Which is very possible. I ain't perfect. Nothing bad about them, nothing good in them. Good hiding spots. Like, I hear that, right? But, like, how do I hide in them? Is it just because I'm supposed to hide behind them? Like, I do understand that. Okay, I'm going to try and not kill her this time and see what happens. Hi. Behind the thing. Ooh, that was close. Goodbye. Alright, we're gonna count the loading up on bullets as the loop. There we go. There's a loop. I thought it looked different for a second, but I don't think it did. There we go. There's a loop. I feel like making me do it more than 3 times without any indication is not the cutest. So I don't think that I'm supposed to keep looping, is the implication I'm taking from that. So, oh, it's creepy. Okay, okay. You know, there was that one room that just had scary stuff in it. So, I mean, that's fair. Oh, Max. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, he told me not to trust anything. Oh shoot, I wasn't looking. I was looking at our dog. Oh. No bueno. Oh, do I have to kill him? Don't make me shoot the dog. His sprite's really cute. Aww. Oh, I was trying to get close enough to shoot him, but I think this is just a stay alive thing, maybe. Because I do have to be pretty close to shoot him, so maybe that's really not what I'm supposed to do. I get quiet when I concentrate, sorry. No, I must be needing to do damage to him. Okay, and if that stays there, then a part of what it's telling me to do is to make sure that I lure him to the edges. No, I didn't think I touched it. Oh, I can't touch any of it. I can't even be underneath it. Okay, okay, okay. Oof, that's hard. Can I shoot these things? Oh, I don't think I loaded up on bullets. I should probably do that again. I feel like it didn't work just then when I tried to shoot. It doesn't seem like I'm able to do any damage to them. Okay, 1 second. Need a sip of water. Whew, this is tricky. Oh, Max, I'm really sorry this happened to you. His name was Max, right? I dog said a dog named Max, so maybe I'm just projecting that because that's the name that I... Oh, that could have been my moment. Ah, that was so close. I don't know if I like the... How do I put this? Sometimes it is just escape and sometimes it's attack. Maybe I'm never supposed to really be attacking. I feel like I don't know, though, you know? I feel like I'm shooting in the dark. No pun intended. Goes away when I walk away. So I'm like, where I go and what I'm... Whoa. Is a big part of it. Oh, I didn't move quick enough. Oh. I don't know. I don't know if I can beat this. Okay, I don't think I was giving that enough weight. So I think I have to like... Oh, shoot. Oh, no. This is embarrassing. I'm also just bad at these kind of games. Like, a lot of this is just a me problem. Okay. So I gotta lure it away and then very quickly dash back and then shoot it, I think. Oh, that's very punishing. Is there a way to really see how far I can shoot? I guess not, huh? I wish I could shoot these things. Okay, it really feels like I'm not supposed to shoot him. I think I'm just gonna try and stay alive. Oh, not my best moment. Oh, I guess he does. Okay. When I shot him that one time, it like flopped down on the ground and stayed there though. I wonder if that was him taking damage. So I wonder if I can only shoot him in that moment. You know what it is? I bet that these are like different arms of his. Oh shoot, I don't know how to time that. I bet these are different arms of his, and the more of them I cut off, the less he's able to block himself, and then I'm able to shoot him. I think I have it figured out. I just have to do it. Okay. It seems like there's 4 of them that pop up. There's a lot more than that. Who am I kidding? But you know what I mean. Maybe I'm completely wrong. I don't know. I can't even get through these. I'm also just bad at these. Like, it doesn't matter if I figure it out if I don't have, like, the dexterity and reflexes to do it. But sometimes I just lack those. And, like, that's just a me problem. That has nothing to do with the quality of the game, you know? It does seem like if I stand still, I have to be careful of those parts. But other than that, I think I'm mostly okay. And if I do cut it off, I think it's smart to still try and lure it to the edge of the map. Yeah, see, it fell off that time. Oh, shoot. Two more? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that's actually really cool. Oh, shoot. Urgh. Let me keep the door. It's not that kind of game. Okay, Chevy, don't fuck this up. Don't fuck this up. Even if I'm not physically able to do it, I feel clever for having figured out the mechanic. It's a little embarrassing. Like, and I can fully admit that I play a lot of RPG Maker games because I make RPG Maker games. And I talk all the time about how I'm just bad at the quick reflexes. Never have been. Never will be. Okay. I really don't want to fuck this up, so I'm getting really quiet. Sorry. It's something about being able to be hit by the top parts of them feels kind of annoying. Like, I feel like I should be able to stand there and not be hit. But I do get that maybe that's not fair. But it feels like that's not where the hitbox is supposed to be, you know? Okay, okay, one more. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I'm concentrating. My like hands are sweating a little bit. Oh my god, what am I even gonna do when he drops the thing? Where am I gonna go? Oh my gosh, I think I did it. Oh. Oh, that's sad. That's gross and sad. Alice, you found the phone. Thank goodness. Jason, there was something wrong with Max. I don't know what to do. He attacked me and I was scared. Alice, it's okay no matter what happened. The thing wasn't Max. Remember what I told you earlier? You did great, Alice. I'm so proud of you. Jason, what do I do now? You'll have to make your way to me, but you can't leave just yet. What? Why? I want to see you. It's not safe yet. I don't want you to get hurt. Jason? Alice, I have to go now. Just wait in the house a little longer. I'll call you again once it's safe. Oh, and Alice? We'll get through this together. All you have to do is trust me. Trust. Ending 1 out of 3. Oh, that's the end. Huh. I wonder what the other endings are. I'm probably not going to get them right now because I'm trying to crank through these. And as you can tell, I'm very slow. I take forever playing video games. This is why I've had such a hard time. It was so silly of me to join this many game jams. There's no way I can play them all. I feel bad. I wonder if the other endings, because like the questions that I have are, it didn't feel like that room was Jason's, and maybe I'm just wrong. You know, I could just straight up be wrong. Maybe she even said that that was Jason's, and I'm just forgetting. She might have, in hindsight. I really don't remember. I remember there was a journal, but I'm just bad at names, and I don't remember what it said. It felt like there was some clear favoritism happening in that picture. So there's very clearly like a major part of this plot that I missed. And I am curious to go back and get it. So even though I'm not going to record getting the other endings, I am going to redo the comments, um, leave a comment, and if I don't get the answers that I'm looking for, then I'll go back and play it again. Was there always someone sleeping in the bed? Wait, come back, Lightning. Yeah, yeah. Oh, maybe it's just her. Okay, I think I'm just being crazy. All right, well, that was very fun. Um, I didn't run into any major issues. Uh, I think I said as I was going, the issues that I had with the boss battle. I think a lot of them were just me, though. Um, Once I figured out the mechanic and I had a direction, it felt a lot better. It was frustrating at first, dying so easily and so quickly as I figured it out, that I feel like it would benefit from, like, even just a tiny little bit of dialogue being like, it looks like there's three things coming out of him or something like that, just to give a little bit of a direction of like what you're actually trying to do. Because I was really, really thinking that I had to somehow sneak past the tentacles to get to him. And it was really hard to like let go of that idea until the first time I like accidentally damaged the tentacle. And even then I still wasn't thinking, okay, that's going to diminish, or that's the hit, that's the lives, or that's the damage counter. But once I did figure out that that was the damage counter, it felt really, really satisfying to work through it and try and get to the end. So that was really fun. Um, all right. Well, hello, Internet. Goodbye, Internet. Bye.